Why "I didn't understand" doesn't work in divorce court. Many people in divorce or child custody cases say, "I didn't understand the order," when in truth they understood it. They just didn't like it or didn't think it would be enforced. There's a big difference between genuine confusion and plain old regret or resentment. Using confusion as an excuse won't get you far with a judge if the real issue is that you're unhappy with the outcome. It's better to admit, "I understand, I just hate this result," than to pretend you were baffled. If you're honest about not liking an order, your attorney can focus on real options, if there are any, like trying to change the order or helping you to deal with it, instead of chasing a fake misunderstanding. Courts expect you to follow their orders, whether you agree with them or not. When a judge issues a written ruling, it's assumed you can read it and that you will abide by it. Judges aren't obligated to double-check that you personally get every detail. If something in an order truly doesn't make sense to you, it's your job to seek clarification right away, ideally by asking your lawyer or filing a formal request with the court. What you shouldn't do is ignore the order or violate it and then later say, "Oh, I didn't realize that's what it meant." By that point, the damage is done. Just saying, "I didn't understand," will not excuse disobeying a court order. At least, I've never seen it work on a regular basis. Judges hear that excuse all the time, and it never works. Well, not always. In fact, it can backfire by making you look irresponsible or evasive. If you miss a deadline or don't do what the order required, you could face sanctions, fines, or even contempt of court, and in extreme cases, jail time, just for ignoring the rules. "I don't know," or "I was confused," isn't going to stop a judge from enforcing an order generally. Ignorance is not a defense. So if you honestly don't understand something, ask questions and seek clarification immediately. Don't wait until you're in trouble to bring it up. It's much easier to clear up confusion before you act, and judges will appreciate that you made a good faith effort to get it right. On the other hand, if you do understand but just dislike what the order says, don't pretend otherwise. Talk to your lawyer about whether there's any way to appeal or modify or deal differently with the order in a way that's convenient or more accessible to you. But be prepared that you may just have to live with it. In the end, being straightforward is far better than feigning confusion. Judges value candor. They really do. Pretending not to understand when you really do only hurts your credibility. If you're truly unsure about a court order, seek clarification early. If you just don't like it, either comply or pursue a legitimate legal remedy. Don't expect "I didn't understand" to save you. It won't.